What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Donna's Recipe Whipped Vanilla Curl Enhancing Gel and Mousse combo. So if you remember, I used this mousse a while back when I had straight hair, said that I wanted to revisit it for a wash and go, and I had picked up the gel as well. And you guys know I like a mousse gel combination, so I thought I would try these two together. That is what I did, and I did it today. The results that you're looking at right now are my results from using these two. And yeah, so wanted to come on and give you my thoughts. If you want to see me actually apply the products, you will need to join my membership. I did do a full thorough review as well as a demo using the products on my membership. So feel free to join it if you want to see the products in action. In the meantime, I just want to tell you about the products because I feel like you guys want to know as well, right? And I did say on my main platform that I'm going to try these again or whatever. I didn't say I was going to do it just for the members, but the members voted and they wanted to see this, so I did it for them, but I'm still going to tell you my thoughts. Here are my results. You can see my hair. My hair looks okay. It doesn't look bad. It is defined. It is big and fluffy like I like it. It is very soft. So these two together do give a very soft hold. The mousse does say that it is a crunch-free, soft, touchable hold. So that's true. And then the gel says that it's non-sticky, non-flaky, and it is supposed to just enhance the curls. It did say that you could use these two together. It said you can use the mousse for a wash and go if you want more definition. Top it with the gel. So that is what I did. Okay, and these are my results. I will say that my hair looks dull and gray. It has that gray cast to it that I get with a lot of loose gels like this. If you have not seen the consistency, I'll show you the consistency. Okay, so that's the consistency of the gel. And a lot of times these gels will give me a little bit of a gray cast. This one didn't disappoint. It did do, well, it did disappoint, but you know what I'm saying. This one is no exception. It gave me the gray cast, but it is a soft hold. If you want more hold, you might use this alone. That may give you more hold. I don't know, but my hair is so soft and so mushy and frizzy in the roots that it's not going to last. Okay, so if you have type 4 hair like mine, coarse hair, these products are not going to give you crunch. They're not going to give you 7-day hair, in my opinion. So I just want you to be aware of that. If you have a looser curl pattern, you might like this gel and you might like these two together. They may work a little bit better for you as far as defining the curls and giving you what you want, maybe. I don't know. What I will say about this combo is that my hair is not moisturized at all, and I did not use a leave-in because I don't have a Donna's Recipe leave-in, and this mousse says to put it on clean, wet hair. Top it with the gel if you want more. The gel says to apply it to wet hair. It doesn't say anything about a leave-in, so I did not use a leave-in, and I've used other combinations without leave-ins and my hair feels moisturized, but these do not moisturize my hair. So my hair doesn't feel moisturized at all, and that's how I know these curls that you see are not going to last, because when your hair is dry and there's no moisture and then you lay on your hair and everything, it frizzes out. It's not going to last because there's no moisture in your hair. Okay, dry hair usually is frizzy. It's usually not nice and clumped and curled. It's usually frizzy. So yeah, I wanted to love the products. When I was applying it, my hair looked really good. It was promising. I was like, oh, okay. And then, yeah, once it dried, not so much. So they did what they said they're going to do as far as defining giving you a soft hold. They don't say anything about shine, so I guess I shouldn't expect any type of shine or sheen, but it also doesn't say it's going to give you a gray cast, and it does kind of have a gray cast. So with that being said, they do what they say, and if I am not mistaken, I'm sorry, this gel does say lasting definition and luxurious natural shine that lasts for days. I disagree. I disagree with that. This one doesn't say anything about shine, okay? So I will say that. And they also don't say anything, if I'm not mistaken, about moisture. Definition, flexible hold. They talk about definition and flexible hold. They don't talk about moisture. So that should have told me something right there. These to me are not moisturizing. So yeah. Anyway, guys, I'm not going to belabor the point. I did want to come on and let you know that I did try those again. I wanted you to be able to see my hair and see how it looks. I might try to come back on day 3, but I don't think it's going to last 3 days. We'll see. But I'll definitely put a blurb here as to how long it lasted and things like that. I did get a little bit of flurries, not any large flaking. I did get a little bit of flurries. So there you go. I just want to be totally honest with you guys. I told you I'd try it. I did try it. I don't hate it. I just don't love it. I don't feel like it has the moisture. It does the other stuff. It does have a flexible hold, and you know, it defined the curls, and it's soft to the touch. So you make your determination based on this review or some other people's reviews. I'm sure there's some other ones out there that love the products. It worked for them. But for me, it didn't. It's not what I would gravitate to. I wouldn't pick these up again. Not only because of the gray cast, but because I don't care for the packaging of the gel, you know, trying to squeeze it out when you got gel all on your hands and everything. I don't care for that. And I can't take the smell. The smell is very strong. It's very syrupy. It's called whipped vanilla, but it's very much like a syrup smell. It's almost nauseating for me. Now, I could be more sensitive to scents because, you know, my recent diagnosis of the asthma and then some allergies and stuff. So I could be more sensitive. I didn't used to be sensitive to smells, but this is very strong and it does linger. If you're sensitive to smells, you may want to steer clear of this. If you like gourmand, syrupy, sweet scents, then you may love this. Now, you know, I like Camille Rose and her stuff smells cake-like and cookie-like, but this is over the top syrupy. It just smells like syrups, real sweet syrup. So yeah, so that's another reason why I wouldn't pick it up. But I'm not telling you not to. I'm telling you, if you have been eyeing these, if you think this type of gel works for you, you've had good success with it, pick it up, try it, see if they have travel sizes, and see if it works for you. But I just want to be honest. I think for type 4 girlies, you might not be happy with it because of the lack of moisture and because of the softness of the hold. I don't think you're going to get, you know, enough longevity from these products. Okay. All right. Those are my thoughts on Donna's recipe. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up. If I didn't answer all your questions, jot your questions in the comment section below. I'll try to answer them there if I can. And yeah, guys, in the meantime, let me know what you think of this wash and go. I will turn around and let you see the back because a lot of y'all are saying I don't show you the back. I don't know how the back looks. I haven't seen it, but it feels very bushy. It doesn't feel like it's really defined. It feels like it's kind of bushy in the back, but I could be wrong. So yeah, that was the back. This is the front. I'm trying to remember to do the back and the front. Show y'all the front and the back. So yeah, like I said, leave any comments below. Guys, if you've used Donna's recipe, this with vanilla, and you love it and you got great results, jot that down in the comment section so people can learn from you. My opinion is only my opinion. I'm one person and people have different results and experiences with products. So if you have had a similar experience, jot that down. If you had a totally different experience, jot it down. Let us know what you use to get the best out of the products. If you use the leave-in and all that kind of stuff, leave that down for the people who are reading the comments so that they can make a very informed decision, not one just based off of my review, but also based off of comments that they've read, okay? All right, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.